In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate text field data in DocuSign templates and envelopes. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just looking to streamline your document workflow, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, make your way over to the main dashboard where you'll see various options. On this dashboard, look for the Templates section and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing templates. Now, take a moment to find the specific template you want to work with. This might take a little scrolling if you have a lot of templates available, but once you spot the right one, click on it to open the template details. From here, you want to click on the Edit button. This is where you'll begin tailoring the template to your specific needs. Once you're in edit mode, you'll have the flexibility to modify any information that's necessary for your document. Adjust the text fields as needed, ensuring that all required data fields are appropriately set up. This customization step is crucial for making sure your document recipients can fill in the necessary information accurately and efficiently. After you've made all the necessary edits, look towards the bottom or the top of your interface for a Next button and click it. This action will bring you to the document editor. Here's where you can get a bit creative by dragging and dropping various fields into your document. Take your time placing each field in the right spot, as this will define how your document will look and function. Once you are satisfied with how the document fields are set up and you've double-checked everything, look for the Save and Close option. Clicking on this will save all the changes you've made to your template and exit you out of the editing mode. You've now successfully replicated and customized a text field in a DocuSign template. With these steps, you should now be able to confidently replicate text field data in your DocuSign templates and envelopes, ensuring your documents are organized and ready for sending. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these steps a few times to get comfortable with the process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy DocuSigning.